BoilOver Performance Ensemble return with their next instalment of The Birds. The Birds is a processional work designed to activate public spaces and to rove between them, creating surprising performance moments as the audience encounters it. The Birds examines themes around feeling caged and feeling free. It's fundamentally about inclusion and accessibility. Street theatre is an unforgiving medium. Performers must adapt to new spaces, overcome new obstacles, encounter different audiences who, if they want, can just walk away and continue their day. But with BoilOver's striking approach to costume design, a take-no-prisoners approach to physical theatre, and their spirit of exploration in performance, BoilOver manages to draw a sizable crowd and keeps them for the entirety of the journey.